Hello, my dear students. I'm Fatah Jahan, and today I'm going to discuss with you about some important materials, that is, important topics you also can say, like value and moral and ethics. Okay, mainly we'll emphasize today on value and moral, and after we just get the clear conception about value and moral, we'll go for ethics. Okay, so what do you think? What can be value? Okay, do you think anything what can be value? So I can help you like that. Values are the foundation of person's ability to judge between right and wrong. That means when a person is capable to differentiate between right and wrong, then we say that it's his or her value. With that, values include a deep rooted system of beliefs, and this system allows each individual to determine what should and what should not be. So this is our values, that is a foundation of person's ability to judge between right and wrong. That is, if you're able to judge between right and wrong, that will be your values. Okay, and then formulation of your values, how value can be formulated. For formulation of values, there are some things that help. First of all, that is 40% of our values actually are genetically determined. Then a balance is given by the environmental factors. Then our culture, our parental dictates, teachers, and friends and other situations. All of the factors actually affect on our values, and based on this factor, actually our value is determined how I can judge others. Okay, so that is value, and how actually value affect a personality of a person. Okay, so values actually are principles or standards of behavior, that we say value, that is my principles and my standards of behavior is just focus on my values, okay, or reflect on my values. So it describes personal standard of what is valuable or important. It is values that help us to make decisions about right and wrong, that is what is more important and what is less important. And it also comprises of our liking, disliking, perspectives, our prejudice and judgment. Okay, and with all of the things actually reflect on our behavior. So value is actually our basic foundation from which we understand a person's personality, his or her behavior, attitude, perception. All of the things actually regulated by values. Okay, so now we can check that how value affect personality of a person. So value affect on our beliefs. These beliefs affect on our perceptions. Then these perceptions affect on our attitudes, and these attitudes affect on a behavior interest of personality. So this is the way how value affect on personality of a person. Then our personal value, actually how personal value helps. Okay, normally personal value actually determine what is, we already say, right and wrong or good or bad or judgmental criteria, and strong senses what I have to judge. Okay, and these personal value actually very important whenever that is effect in an organizations. Okay, and it is also important whenever in different cases of your life, whenever you take any decisions. So in case of organizations, how it's affect, first of all, values serve as standards of behavior, then guidelines for decision making and conflict resolutions, then will affect our thought and action, then influence on employee motivation and perceptions, then it also influence on attitude and behavior. Okay, so that is the 5 things that affect on organization according to our personal value. So with the personal value, some are workforce value, what is affected in our workplace. Okay, so in our workplace, there is actually some values like old value, today value, negative and positive values. Old value like that, actually what are valuable in our old days. In case of you think about your parents, your grandfather or their grandfather, whenever they act on, The most important thing were hard work, conservation, traditional, loyalty to the employer organization. That is all of the things that affect old days. And nowadays, today's value is like you are satisfied with your job or not, leisure time, what are the facilities are given to you, and we regularly we change our career or our jobs. Okay, that is actually the flexibility to career is important to today's value than old value. And some are negative values and some are positive values. Negative value like our anger, arrogance, overconfidence, and greediness, that is actually our negative things. And if we say about the positive value, then it will be our integrity, honesty, truthfulness, kind heartedness, humility. All of the things actually are positive value, and it's all of the things our personal value that is effect in our workplace. Then we can also know about some business value. So we already know about what is value, what is our personal value, how it affect on our organization. We also know about our workplace value. Now we will read about business value. Okay. In case of business value, actually there are some fundamental rules that helps in our organizations. That is, we can say that it's an example how business value are affected with that. For example, truthfulness, mentoring, giving credit, honesty, caring, trust, okay, social conscience and responsibility, accountability, all of the things actually affect on our business. Okay, so these types of things are called actually the business value. So we already know about our workplace value, personal value, and business value. So what is important or valuable now, and how we can understand what is actually valued your character or any other person. Okay, so if you go for an example, it will be like that. If someone's value system is founded upon honesty, okay, that means honesty is the main value for any person. In that case, what happened actually? Okay, that person can make a proper judgment between cheating and in exam or not. Okay, if just he give the more emphasis of his or her honesty, then he will give emphasis to her honesty in exam than cheating. That will be the person's value. Okay, but if we think about opposite, if someone valued achievement and success over honesty, then that person can cheat in the exam, and he will think that actually I am successful. Okay, I am honest or dishonest, that is not matter, that will be value of for that person. Okay, so it actually varies person to person, and it is relates with value what will be individual, which is valuable for one person, it can be not valuable for another person. Okay, so these are fundamental beliefs and barometer we can also say, or parameter we can also say, that guide a person's decisions. Okay, and so it is all time like that, it's an individual value or the particular behavior of a person, that is called value. Okay, so now we read about what is value, what is workplace value or personal value with some examples we also read in. So your assignment will be about the topic that how value affect on personality. Okay, you have to give an example, and just like that you will create an example and submit in VLC. Okay, so you already know about value. Now we'll read about moral. So what is actually moral? Values we already know is the foundation of a person's ability or the judgment ability. Okay, and morals and value are actually related but not the similar thing. Like morals are formed depend on person's values. That means you will be moral or not moral, it will depend on sorry, your values. Okay, so it will be like that. Morals build on this to form specific, okay, some driven rules that govern a person's behavior. They are formed from a person's life experience and are subject to opinion. Okay, so it moral actually form not the genetically or culture. It actually depend on person's life experience and subject to opinion. How we can opinion or your behavior. Okay, like for example, we can say that someone's moral might indicate they are opposed to murder. That means morality say you that you cannot murder anyone. Okay, it is general rule of a society, and it actually depend on you that how you behave with a person. Okay, own angriness or for any reasons, if you want to just murder any person, then it will like immoral things. Okay, because your morality say that you can punish the person, but not you can just kill him or her. So if we think about some ordinary thing, so it will be like that. One person's morals might tell them not to gossip, another person's moral might be quite different. Okay, that means we will not gossip about another person. Okay, in absence of that person, it can be your morality. You will follow it or not. Okay, so morality, like value, morality also differ. So if we say, give want to some example, it's like that. Some morality that is present in the society that always the persons or we are habituated to follow, like that. Always tell the truth. Do not destroy property. Have courage. Keep your promises. Do not cheat. Okay. Be dependable. Be you forgive to people. Okay, or take responsibility of your actions. That is the moral thing that your society just said you, but if this morality will carry by you by your value. Okay, that you will cheat or not. Okay, you will be judgmental or not, or you can responsible of your action or not, it will depend on your value. Okay, so that is a value. And moral value is actually the behavior of a person's, okay, or some beliefness of a person that depend on some things that actually from our childhood to till adult, by different things, different factors, our values are prepared. But morality actually based on that values, morality will create. Okay, you will be moral or not. There are 2 points, that is amoral versus immoral. Okay, that is two common materials or common topic that is actually used in case of saying morality. So if any person say like that the person is immoral, that means the person have no sense of right and wrong. Okay, and actually the persons don't have any foundation about that things, or she never followed any set of values. Okay, but if it is said that the person is immoral, that means the person knew the right and wrong thing, but they just choose the wrong thing as their morality. As I say, morality depends on your values, how you can judge others. It depends on you. Okay. So that's for today. I think you are clear. If you're not clear, then prepare your notes. Then that we'll discuss in our tomorrow's class. Okay. Thank you.